What's the meaning of Clapham Junction? Clapham Junction. Clapham Junction.
Clapham Junction. Clapham Junction. Clapham Junction is a railway station located in the southwest of London, England. It is known as one of the busiest railway stations in Europe, serving over 2,000 trains and 180,000 passengers every day. The name comes from the fact that the station is located in the Clapham area of London and serves as a junction for many different train lines. The station has a rich history and has been featured in numerous films and television shows. Overall, Clapham Junction is a vital transportation hub for both London and the surrounding area.